Tired of your perfectly formatted Google Docs turning into a jumbled mess when you share them? Well, today, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to save your Google Docs as a PDF, ensuring your documents look exactly as you intended, no matter who's viewing them first. With your Google Doc open, navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see the Download option. Hover your mouse over Download, and another menu will pop out to the side. In this side menu, you'll see a list of different file formats. Look for PDF document PDF and click on it. A Save dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose where you want to save your PDF file on your computer. You can rename the file if you wish, and then select your desired location. Once you've chosen the location and name, click the Save button. Your Google Doc will now be downloaded as a PDF file. And that's it. You now have a PDF version of your Google Doc that you can easily share with anyone, confident that the formatting will remain consistent across all devices and platforms. Converting to PDF is a simple way to keep your documents safe and present them as you intended. So try it out next time you want to share one of your files. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tricks.